Anti-violence transportation test. In the transportation, violent transportation has become the normal. In order to ensure that customers can receive intact oxygen concentrators, Longfian has been committed to improving the anti-fallibility of products and packaging. Before delivery, we will simulate violent transportation and conduct all-round and multi-angle anti-fall tests on the oxygen concentrator to ensure the transportation safety of the oxygen concentrator. Unpack and check the oxygen concentrator. Appearance intact. Power on inspection. The oxygen concentrator can work normally. Open the back cover of the machine to view the internal parts. Internal components are intact.